never knew that I'm in a paradise. Never knew that I'm in a paradise.
My darling frogs, I've loved the time I've spent with you. Never forget me. There are no words to express how much it pains me to leave you.
Oh, so sad. That's so sad. So
Goodbye,
normal.
Zoo.
That's so
It's
sad.
been an honor and a pleasure keeping you.
Zookeeper? Why are you talking like that?
Oh, I was just, I'm leaving.
Are you going on a trip?
No, I'm moving away.
What? Like, forever? Why would you do that? You can't leave us!
Well, I
Oh,
am.
so
Get
sad.
out
The
of my
zookeeper
way.
is going away.
I won't let you!
I said, get out of here, you big dumb animal!
Oh my God.
Can't you see I don't want to protect you anymore?
Poor this guy. Poor this guy. He's just moving away. Stay away.
Why would he just leave like that? In the middle of the night without saying a word to anyone? How am I gonna tell the others?
Tell the others what?
Frog, the zookeeper moved away. He just up and left. Now he's gone forever.
Yeah, he's gone now.
forever.
He's gone already.
gonna
He's
take
gone
care of
already.
us And protect us from the KOB and clean our litter.
I don't know, Frog.
It sounds fishy to me. He loves us. He'd never just leave
That's so
like
bad
that.
to me. This is so bad
I think we need
to
to
me.
investigate. Come on.
Zookeepers only.
The door's locked.
I got it. Don't worry.
Let's go in. Oh, he's going. They're going in. They're going in.
Oh
I knew it! Something's totally wrong here.
no! Seems like he left in a hurry.
I don't know. Wait. Look!
Don't follow me.
Don't follow me. Well, we have to follow him, right?
I'm starting to think he's in danger. Maybe he didn't move away. Maybe he was taken away.
Oh my God! Take away. Take away.
At least I have something to remember them by. When they wake up and find me gone, I'm sure they'll hate me. They'll never know I did it all for them.
Wow.
Oh, the
Very
QRB
sweet of you
agent.
to
The
walk
QRB
down memory lane.
agents.
Yeah,
Those
right
QRB
up you.
agents.
I could cry. Shut up, you two. Well,
Oh, who
well,
is this big
the
guy? Who is the
Zookeeper
big guy?
himself. I was
Is
starting
it
to
another
think we'd never
QRB
win you
agent?
over.
Is it another
But
QRB
a deal's
agent?
a deal, right? I finally made you an offer you couldn't refuse.
And you better keep up your...
Right. The KOB would never go back on our word.
It's like he couldn't fully shut it. Maybe it's stuck. Oops. Wait. What's that? Final offer.
Me and my men plan to launch our largest attack show of a zoo. We won't even bother sending you back to your home planet. We want to annihilate you completely. You and the little monsters you're calling to make a deal.
Leave the zoo and surrender yourself to us, and you'll never harm the zoo again. Signed, the KOB General.
Yeah, it was QRB German. It was
So
QRB
busted.
German.
Now all I have are my memories. Feeding those stupid KOB goons to the fish. Feeding humans to myself.
No! Let me go! Please!
Oh my God! Oh my goodness! Holy crap!
You never know you're in the good times until they pass.
Now that he's out of our way, we can launch our biggest attack yet, and there's no way we'll lose.
Oh my God! That's terrible. That's so
we made a
terrible.
deal with him. I know. But the deal was... I know what the deal was. I lied to him. Come with me. We've got to get to the zoo before they realize something's up.
I knew something was up!
So this means that the KOB has him hidden somewhere. We gotta find him.
Huh? Do you think that's him?
Oh, it's a helicopter. It's not a helicopter. It's not a helicopter.
Oh no. But
You're not supposed to attack us! That's why the Zookeeper left!
Yeah, we lied. Get them!
Run! Frog, you run and find the Zookeeper! I'll distract them!
but
I said go! I believe in you!
Go, run, run. It's too late. It's too late. It's too late.
no!
Wakey, wakey! I've got something to show you.
Oh my god. This is so.
What? What is that?
It's the current state of your precious zoo. Impressive, isn't it?
We had a deal!
Womp womp. I know you're probably angry, and I would be too. But you can't do anything about it now.
Get back here!
Watch him.
Oh no.
Wait,
No.
now's my chance. Gotcha! I'm getting the heck out of here. He broke his end of the deal, so I'm breaking
It's only
mine.
escape.
I
Oh, it's only
promise you
escape.
guys
It's only
don't
escape.
worry.
It's only escape.
Now, let's see how it... Perfect! These things really do come in handy. Yes! Now, how am I going to get out of here unnoticed?
Oh no. Oh no.
Perfect.
I'm sorry.
A disguise!
Oh, he's putting on a helmet. I'm supposed to get a helmet.
Hey, fellas! I'm just taking a break. Can you guys watch that guy for a second?
Blast him!
Oh no. Oh no.
Well, it was worth a try. Yeah!
KOP.
There's the bin I came in, but I don't think I'll fit. I guess my best bet is to run. But where's the zoo from here? That way. I'm coming as can, guys. I promise I won't let them hurt you.
If I can get out of here, maybe I can find the Zookeeper. No, 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 no!
Going somewhere? Nice try, you froggy freak, but you're coming with me.
Oh, it's not in container. It's a container. Oh no.
Looks like the party started without me. It may only be 2 of these alien creatures, but it's a good enough start. How about you go first?
No, 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 please! The Zookeeper's gonna come back for us! He always
Those
does!
bad cop
I
agents. This
wouldn't
is
be
KOP
so
agent. That's so
certain.
very
Next
bad.
time you see him, it's gonna be on Blue Mortar. Throw the switch.
Oh
Say
no.
goodbye.
Not so fast!
The Zookeeper. The Zookeeper
Told you!
is back.
Caesar.
Zookeeper is back. Now he's going to save those animals from the KOP agents.
I'm out of bull. Grab one from... Ah! Still got one. Here we go.
You thought you could get rid of me by lying to me? Well, I'm not that stupid, and I would never abandon my zoo.
Yes, yes, very cute.
So, if I were you, I'd get out of my way before.
Ha! You think that little toy gun is any match for my bloom cannon?
Oh my
I
god. Oh,
run
it's so
for you.
powerful. So big. So big. Big device.
You idiot! You may have been able to take down the rest of my men, but you were never any match for me.
Wait, I got this.
Stupid frog! The beam from that is no match for.
Wait, I got this.
Stupid frog! The beam from that is no match for.
I'm not using the beam.
No! What have you done? No! You haven't seen the last of me! I'll destroy you!
Yeah. So long, losers. So long, losers.
And you were right. I'm sorry I put you in harm's way.
You thought you were doing the right thing.
I did. But from now on, no more deals with the KOB. I promise.
Yes, he deserved it. They deserved it. Good job, Zookeeper. Good job, Zookeeper. Wow, this is very good animation. Wow, that was great animation. Wow, I cannot believe it that Zookeeper just moved it away and now he came back to rescue the zoo animals. My god, that's KOB agent, so he deserved it. My god, he never come back. Those bad KOB agents deserve of the tree. Treat them with the animals. Oh my god. Now the Zookeeper is happy to be back in the Zoonomaly zoo. Oh my god. I never know. But guys, that's where I have it. That's gonna be it. I hope you enjoyed this reaction video with me. Oh my god. I hope this animals will call you to kill me. Well guys, there we have it. That is my reaction of Zookeeper is moving away. Collaboration by GameToons Plus. Oh my god, I never did this happen.
I just say we're friends, never happened again. I don't care if you